Caleb, there's my daddy and my mom.
Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a Halloween type episode, and we've got 3 of the Walking Dead vinyl pop figures. What else do we have?
We got these stickers, blind boxes, and the dog tags.
Okay, he's got 3 of the Nightmare Before Christmas dog tags, and these do indeed come with stickers. And then tell us about these, Daddy.
These are Nightmare Before Christmas blind boxes.
They are the Funko Mystery Minis. So we got 2 of those, and if y'all have seen in all of our other videos that we have opened these, we have got nothing else but the Mummy, which is a 2 out of 24 chance.
Yeah. And so today, if we can get the little doggy ghost,
0.
that is 1 out of 44. 144.
Yeah, 144.
I want the
You want the boogeyman? Yeah. Alright, so what do you want to start with, Caleb? Do you want to start with the dog tags? Okay, so we've got 3 of these, and we each get 1. So Caleb, pick them out for us. Which one's Daddy's? Okay, give it to Daddy. Which one's mine? Okay. Alright, so...
Let's get started.
Who's going first?
Me.
Hey, you're not old enough for these. They are 6 plus. Not old enough for these.
Oh, wow. So Caleb got... Oh, wow. Oh, it's not the ball chain. It is the actual vinyl, or the... I don't know what this is, but the necklace. So I'll open that. Here is the stickers he got. I don't know if y'all can see those. So let's open this up and show you what dog tag. I wouldn't necessarily call this one a dog tag.
Yeah.
I like it though. It's just a straight up necklace.
I really want.
He's got Jack Skellington.
I really want these.
And Jack is a 16 out of a 24.
I want a head.
You got the
Cool.
head.
16 out of 24.
There you go.
Sweet. I'm ready to go now?
Yeah.
Right.
You got Sally.
Is that who that
You
is?
got
Is that Sally?
Yay.
I got Sally.
But you're not a girl.
No, I'm not a girl.
You got the same one.
Got the same necklace.
You're my best friend now.
Oh.
Of course I am.
Of course.
It's your turn now.
Okay, is it my turn?
Yeah.
So let's see. Hold on.
Well,
Let's look
yeah,
at
hang
yours.
on.
'Cause there's multiple ones.
No, it's the exact
They are
same
the
one.
exact same. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different.
Jack Skellington faces. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Hey, Daddy. I got the head one, but I really want a head.
Let's see. There we go.
You gonna wear it?
Yay! Okay, is it Mommy's turn? I want to be careful because y'all both tore your stickers.
What do you got?
You're cheating.
No, I'm not. Okay, checklist. I got the same stickers as Caleb.
Yeah, you're my best friend.
And then my dog tag is a different face.
It is a different.
It's a different face. Let me take it out.
Hey, wait, all got the head.
Yes, we all got, and for the record, Daddy is the one who picked these out. He went to Target and he picked them out.
I was FaceTiming.
He was
So
FaceTiming.
she helped.
So there's mine. This one's a 15 of 24. Yeah, sure.
Can taste it. See if that works out a little bit better. I don't want it.
Okay, so you want me to wear it?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll wear this.
but if it's
No, you want to do these?
yeah. Hey,
All right.
Daddy and Caleb are gonna open these.
and
You go
you're-
first.
And you're not.
And I'm not, because we don't have enough. Daddy tried to find some more today, but
Yep, they just had
being
the tags.
Halloween
Not a whole
and
lot of
all.
stuff.
I hope I get a double. I don't
You
want
don't want a double. Here, up on the up here so they can see.
Please, I don't want a double.
We do not need any more mummies. No mummies. No mummies.
I don't want no money. No mummies. Delete that.
I opened it right here. Right there. There's a hole right there. Let's rip it open really good. Up here.
Oh, I really want this guy.
Is it a mummy? Yay! We
No
got
mummy.
the mayor.
The mayor.
Yay.
The mayor is a 2 of 24.
2. So there is his scary face, I guess, and then you can twist him. And there's his.
Some good detail too.
Yeah.
Looks just like him.
Oh yeah. These Funko mystery minis have like the best detail and paint job. Now, if they can just get a hold of all their bigger pop figures.
You ready for me to do it?
Yeah.
Alright.
I hope we get double.
No, we don't want to double.
Yeah, we don't get the double. I don't want the double. What does Daddy got?
We're about to find out.
Let me see that little box. I would flip if you got a 0.
Nope, I got a double. We did it again. The same exact thing. Come on, Hot Topic, get your stuff.
It's not Hot Topic.
It's a Hot Topic exclusive. They purchased it.
Well, that's not a Hot Topic exclusive.
You
But
sure?
there are.
Oh, okay, these two are Hot Topic.
Yeah.
I get you.
Yeah.
Well,
Dagnabbit, y'all. What's the deal? It's me, because I'm going to pick some out.
so we can at least have 2 different faces showing at the
Oh,
same
no.
time.
Exactly.
So we get that.
Okay, so there's all that. Okay, so now we are going to unbox and review the Funko Pop vinyl figures. I already see a boo-boo on Maggie, and I really forgot to tell you, you really need to look at the paint jobs on these. Unless it's a bruise or something. We can just call it a bruise, but I think it's a paint smear. We'll show you as soon as we open
That
it.
makes it even more unique.
Exactly. But, yeah, hang on. But in this series, it's, of course, The Walking Dead. You've got Carl. Yes, we love The Walking Dead, which we need to watch Sunday's episode because we have it still on DVR. Carl, Maggie, Penny as a zombie, Injured Daryl, and Woodbury Walker. Yeah.
And that's just on those.
Yes. No, it's
On the triangle.
yeah. What's this?
See, this one here has Rick, Daryl, RV Walker from one of the first episodes or seasons.
And the zombie.
Bicycle Girl.
The Bicycle Girl, if y'all
Which
seen,
is from one of the
yeah,
first
no, it's the
episodes.
pilot episode. If you've
Right.
seen the pilot episode, it's the zombie chick that's on the ground
then
grabbing
that
for
one.
Rick.
On the
But
triangle.
these two come in the same series because it has all the same characters on the back. This one is a different series because I don't know why, but it's just different. So I don't know if y'all can see those.
So that one's actually just 4 characters.
Yeah, yeah. So that's
Mommy,
pretty cool.
I'm gonna do that.
Do you want to open up Carl?
Yeah.
Daddy, do you want to open up Daryl?
Yeah.
And I'll open Maggie.
Daryl is the best.
He's my character.
He's your character? I can't get him out.
Just pull the plastic.
What are you going to have?
So we have the crossbow.
I got him.
Huh?
I can spin his head.
They are pretty cool.
I like them. I love these figures. I have so many at the house to review.
He's kind of dirty.
Yeah, he's supposed to be dirty. So I'm thinking these smudges on their faces are supposed to be there. Can you want me to? We've got the camera kind of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are some greenish smudges on their faces. So I'm just gonna guess that they're supposed to be there.
Yeah.
Daryl's pretty clean, so you don't have a whole
Well,
lot.
it's Daryl. Nothing can touch Daryl. And they all are, their heads move.
Yeah.
But Maggie doesn't want to stay up because her head's too big.
So yeah, those are pretty cool. And it looks like that Carl has a set of keys.
The gel cell keys.
So this would be when they were at the prison.
Yes. The prison.
It's kind of hard to tell with Daryl where he might have been.
He's dirty.
Yeah, he's definitely dirty.
This series that me and Kaleb opened has a Daryl also, but he's an injured Daryl. So he doesn't have his crossbow in his hands, he's just all bloody.
Who?
Then Maggie's got a knife
What happened?
and some blood on her, so apparently she's been doing some zombie chopping. We are prepared for the zombie apocalypse.
We are. Alright, I guess.
See if we can get this to work out here. So we got those guys, those guys.
I can't see any glasses.
We got the necklaces, and
Necklaces.
stickers.
So I would say that's a pretty good Halloweenish haul, huh?
Tomorrow's Halloween.
Tomorrow is Halloween.
But when this video goes up, it's gonna be Halloween.
What are you dressing as for Halloween?
I'm Power Ranger.
You're a Power Ranger? What
Power
color?
Ranger.
Robo Knight.
What?
It's a Robo Knight.
He's the Robo Knight Power Ranger.
Robo Knight Power Ranger. See, I don't even know what that is. When I was a kid, it was the red Power Ranger, the white Power Ranger.
Green, blue,
Pink.
pink, and yellow. And I was always the pink Power Ranger.
Hey, B, what are you gonna be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be
Just-
normal.
I'm gonna be me. Normal.
I tried to get a Ninja Turtle outfit, full body Ninja
You
Turtle
did.
outfit,
It was
and it was too
pretty
big.
cool.
All they had was large.
It was pretty cool.
So I was going to be a Ninja Turtle.
And I wanted to be Alice from Alice in Wonderland and Daddy to be the Mad Hatter. He would have been the perfect Mad Hatter. But too late shopping for, all the stuff and nothing was available. So, well, I guess that is it for this video. If
Hope
you
you
haven't,
guys like it.
yeah, we hope you like it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, comment, and
Thumbs up.
we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.